This video introduces XLRIT, a company that accelerates your business by delivering high-quality, tailor-made software solutions at unrivaled speed. It delivers high-quality software solutions, both custom-made as well as off-the-shelf, with the shortest time to market, fully open source, no vendor lock. It solves these problems. Custom-made software development, for instance, has a long development time, is hard to maintain, and has high cost of ownership. And when you take a look at, for instance, off-the-shelf solutions, these often lock you to a vendor, never quite matching your needs and gives you no competitive advantage. Let's take a look at the evolution of software development, in which we started out using zeros and ones, assembly, imperative programming, and nowadays low-code or no-code tools to create systems. However, these were always limited to telling the computer how the solution should work instead of what it should produce. The first one to change to this new approach was Prolog, but it was on the system level and rather hard to use. In 2019 we created Gears, which is a new generation and uses a business level and then derives the business process, which has resulted in increasing productivity and quality. Which is quite logical, because if you use a normal approach, many steps are still manual, such as design, code and test. But when using Gears, it goes much faster because design, code and test are being done automatically. And the unique part is, it can do that at the business process level, as well as lower level designs. In short, if you put in the requirements together with the client and a business analyst and put them in the format which is readable and understandable, such as smart notation, Gears transforms this to design, code, database and configuration, which results in a front end, a back end, talking to databases as well as external systems. Of course, this results in a system that has a 100% requirement match, no defects, no license fees and no vendor lock. In the next videos, we'll demonstrate how easy it is to add new requirements and change a system, something that is done in minutes.